Hello friends, myself Ravi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about comment tag in the HTML. So let's dive into the tutorial. So we have seen how we can use the basic tags in the HTML, right? Now we will see how we can comment the codes into the HTML file and what is comment and what are the uses of comment. So basically, comment is used to document your coding, and also comment is used to comment the unwanted code that you don't want uh, to render on the screen. Okay, so let's see syntactically how comment works. So the tag for comment is less than symbol, then exclamation mark, give dash dash. So this is the comment sign. So this will act as the opening tag kind of thing, and this will act as the closing tag, and whatever you write between this will be commented. So suppose I am just trying to give some information about what the last tutorial was. So let's say this is basic tags, right? So this is how you can use the comment to document your coding. So now by seeing this basic tag, you can know, like, okay, whatever it is in the below is the basic tags, right? So the one use case is this. Another use case is you want to comment your some of the codes. Okay, so you can do in the start of the tag, give less than symbol, and then exclamation and dash dash. So now you can see, right, I haven't given this closing tag for the comment, right? But if you see, whatever things after this syntax has been commented. So these all are commented, but we don't want it, right? We want only this h2 tag to be commented. So for that, you need to put a closing tag here. Now if you see, only this tag is commented. Okay, so if you want to comment all or everything below this tag, you can use only the opening tag that I had already shown you. And if you want to comment the particular tag, you can use the opening and closing tag before and end of that tag. So this is also one use case of using the comment. Now I want to comment from here to here. Okay, so what I will do, the opening tag is here. Now I will put the closing tag to here. So if you see, the code from here to here has been commented. Okay, so this is the way you can use your comments to document your coding, to comment the unused code, or to comment the codes that you don't want to reflect on the browser. If I refresh it, if you see, nothing is here, right? Because we have commented everything. So that's all about comment. If you have any doubt regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.